many reasons why PriceWise is a better solution than Excel or sheet of paper. I would focus only on 3 of them. First, the efficiency. We've got always very limited headcounts, and unfortunately, keep rebates process running is time-consuming. Facilitating approval process and increasing visibility for all stakeholders, significantly improving efficiency within process. Second, customer satisfaction. In terms of customer satisfaction, having correct and on-time received rebates will transfer long-term cooperation. It also strengthens loyalty. And then the third one, the compliance. Companies have to fulfill very sophisticated compliance rules, which are hard to be managed using Excel-like tools. Therefore, PriceWise generates perfect opportunity to be in complied with the corporate rules with a very limited efforts.